gone.
And the game's gone.
Where is it gone?
Game is gone. Game is absolutely gone.
I feel sorry for Skepta. That guy never used to sound like Skepta. Now that guy sounds like Skepta so much you would've thought that guy was Skepta. Hey, I feel sorry for my man. My man never used to sound like my man. Now my man sounds like my man so much you would've thought my man was my man. Yo, I feel sorry for that guy. That guy never used to sound like that guy. Now that guy sounds like that guy so much you would've thought that guy was that guy. I feel sorry for little man. Little man never used to sound like little man. Now little man sounds like little man so much. Yo, the bad boys are back, blowing up shit like a bomb in a rat. I'm in all black, it's about to get real grimy. So somebody say Nathan, pull up the track. Shut this down, ain't heard nothing like this since pound. Ain't heard nothing like this, so God forgive me if I bust my thing right now. Wow, I blow my own trumpet, and if you don't like it, lump it. Bad boy, just for the record, I like tea, but I don't like crumpet. Dirty money, young boy, better know together, that's crazy as hell. Me got both hands on the big red button, just say the word and shut down the world.
I'm an SK dance keeper, get the weed cheaper, quantum leaper, the Tottenham high streeter, SQB beater, A-star reader, 4 times community service preacher, back to court face to jail, the case beater, robbery, burglary, dad got nicked cause I made a piece of I was a phone shop dealer, back in the day I was a wheeler and dealer, fly to west where the sky is blue and the grass is greener, Smith G2, Air Max Tycoon, Chunga Streeter, yeah no Jenny but I don't know Rita, plus my mum's family come from Antigua, you come from west but you don't know younger or older Viva, I was in Carnival, Clovius, back to the East End.
I'll take his head off, I die for my family and that's on my mum's life. Did he forget these, my brother? Did he forget I come from the gutter and I spent 07 in the slummer? Never seen the summer, they let me out and I ate man like I never had a dinner. Praying to the Lord like I never been a sinner.